Okay, first thing we do is open up assembly, hit 1 by 1, new project, and then we want to make our background. I like to use 242424 in case I want to blend it in with the dock at any point in time. Now we're going to make a camera. See, that's a camera. We'll make that the same color. And we'll make the stroke a white color. Center it. Enlarge it just a little bit. Save image. That'll put it in your image photos. There it is. Add it to your shortcut and you have your icon like the one I have here at the bottom. Here is your free widget for the week. Enjoy it. Enjoy your weekend. See you next time.